Welcome, book families. This is Emerging Technology with Miss Williams. I have been teaching for 20 years now in Sarasota County. This is my 6th year at Booker High School and my first year teaching emerging technology. I have a bachelor's degree and a master's degree from USF in Sarasota County. Emerging technology, students are striving to become certified in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. The students are using a test out program that use videos and simulated labs to help them become familiar with Microsoft. The students then take those skills and complete projects. There are 3 major grading policies in my class. There's major assignments that's worth 50%, minor assignment that's worth 30%, and employability that's worth 20%. My expectations for remote learners is that the students arrive on time. They display their first and last name. They're sitting in the frame like I am now. You should be able to see their entire face. They're actively listening and completing their assignments. They're willing to ask for help. They need to be verbal because I'm not always there by the chat button. So I need them to be willing to unmute themselves and verbally ask for help. And then they need to be willing to respond with the Zoom icons. My expectation for in-person learners are that they are on time, get started as soon as they enter. They're willing to ask and receive help. They complete all assignments in a timely manner, and they wear their mask correctly. Parents, if you need to contact me, you can contact me through the grade book. There's an email icon there, and it will send me an email quickly. Students can send me an email or a remind message. I just ask that before you send that message, you have the students look on Blackboard and see if their answer can be found there. I want to encourage you to constantly check your students' grades. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Have a great day.